Predatory animals have adapted to live in a harsh and unforgiving environment. All animals here are enemies of each other, and they never leave each other in peace. Even some of them eat animals of their species with cold blood. However, in contradiction to their brutality, these animals have feelings and emotions just like human beings. Maybe it seems incredible for you, yet it is true that animals have affection for each other, and perhaps the most strange thing in that is that some animals sympathize with other animals. Here is the tiger as big evidence. We here talk about one of the strongest predators in the wild, and it is one of the most ferocious animals on the planet. Write for us in the comments and do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Goodbye.